the bike. So next we got to work on the body. And here is what I'm doing. Base structure are these ribs here. And then the outside are we'll start building the line. Over 6.5 feet. In order to build a really beautiful torso, we need to create the rib cage 26 inches wide at the knee. Since Pat and I will be cuddling inside the body, we need to make sure that the joints fit. My wider brother.
What do you want?